students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 5 of exercise 12.2 of chapter 12 Heron's formula for CBSE class 9 NCERT. Okay, so the question number 5 says a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meters and its longer diagonal is 48 meters, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Okay, so the field is in the shape of rhombus. It is in the shape of rhombus of 30 meters. Each side is of 30 meters and the diagonal, longer diagonal is 48 meters. Okay, so we need to find out how much area of grass field will each cow be getting. Okay, so let us draw the figure first of all. So this is a rhombus. Rhombus is a quadrilateral which is having all the sides equal. Okay, so this is 30, this is 30, this is 30 and this is 30. Let us mark it A, B, C and D. Okay, and the diagonal is given to us as 48 meters. Okay, it is given to us as 48 meters. So now we need to find out the areas, area of triangle ABD and area of triangle BCD. We will be finding out both these areas and we will be adding them. Okay, adding both the areas and then we will be getting the area of the whole green grass field. Okay, and that whole green grass field is being grazed by 18 cows. So we need to find out the area which is being grazed by only one cow. Okay, so let us first find out the area of the whole field. So area of the whole green grass field will be equal to area 1 plus area 2. Area 1 is the area of triangle ABD and area 2 is the area of triangle BCD. Okay, so now let us start calculating it. So let us start with the area of triangle ABD, which is the first area. Okay, actually both the areas are equal because both the triangles are having two sides as 30 meters and the third side is 48 meters. So both the areas are equal. So we will be finding out area of one triangle and we will be multiplying it by 2, or we can add it this area plus this area and we will be getting the total area. Okay, so area of triangle ABD will be equal to, according to the Heron's formula, will be equal to S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Okay, and ABC will be, A will be equal to 30, B will be also equal to 30 and C will be equal to 48. And you can also write down that area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle BCD. Okay, so both the areas are equal. So let us now substitute and find the areas. Okay, so let us find the areas. So for the area we need to find out the semi-perimeter first. So the semi-perimeter is given by S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, so my A is 30, B is also 30 and C is 48 by 2. So it will be equal to 30 plus 30 will be 60, 60 plus 40 will be 100, 108 by 2. 108 by 2, which will be equal to 54 meters, which will be equal to 54 meters. Okay, so this is a semi-perimeter. This is a semi-perimeter. Now let us put all the values and find out the areas and then add them in order to get whole area of the green field. Okay, so area of triangle ABD will be equal to under root S is 54, so 54 minus 30, again 54 minus 30, and it will be multiplied by 54 minus 48. So it will be equal to 54 into 24 into 24 into 6. Okay, into 6. So it can be easily written as 9 into 6 into 24 into 24 into 6. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. It can be written as 3 into 3. So ultimately we will be getting 13 into 6 into 24. Okay, so we will be getting over here, ultimately we will be getting over here 6 into 4 3 is 12, 1 3 to 72. Okay, and 6 2 is 12, 1 7 6 is 42 and 43. 432 meters square. 432 meters square we are getting. So the area of triangle ABD is 432 meters square, as well as area of triangle BCD will be also the same because all the sides are equal. We are having 30, 30 and 48 also for the triangle BCD. Okay, so therefore area of whole field, whole green field, green grass field will be equal to area 1 plus area 2. So that will be equal to 432 plus 432, that will be equal to 864 meters square. That will be equal to 864 meters square. Okay. So now we have got the area. Now they are saying that 18 cows graze this area. So we need to find out how much area of the grass field will each cow be getting. Okay. So the area grazed, area of field grazed by 18 cows will be equal to 864 meters square. Okay, so area of field grazed by one cow will be how much? It will be 864 upon 18. Okay, it will be 864 upon 18. Okay, so it will be 864 upon 18. So it gets cancelled by 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 9s are 81. 5 is the carry. 9 6 is 54. Again it gets cancelled by 2. So it will be 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. So it will be 48 meters square. So the area of the field which is grazed by only one cow, means all the cows are here, 18 cows are here on this land, on this field. So the area which is being taken by one cow is 48 meters square. It means this, okay. So this is our answer. So the area, here are 18 cows like this and grazing the field. So area of one cow, suppose here it is one cow, it is 48 meters square as an answer, okay. So in this manner, we need to solve such type of questions. So thank you. So please subscribe my channel. Please share my videos. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.